You think you have a focus problem, but what if I told you that your brain isn't broken? It's overloaded. It's not your willpower. It's not laziness. And it's definitely not a lack of ambition. You live in a world that profits from your distraction. Think about it. Every beep, every buzz, every little red notification is designed to hijack your attention. But the real reason you can't focus isn't just because of your phone. It's because you've been trained to expect constant input. Your brain craves stillness, but your environment screams for stimulation. You open a tab to do one thing, and 20 minutes later, you're deep in a rabbit hole you didn't even mean to enter. Sound familiar? It's not that your mind can't concentrate, it's that it's constantly being fragmented, sliced into 1,000 little pieces every hour. And here's the truth, multitasking isn't a skill. It's a slow-motion wrecking ball swinging through your mental clarity. But no one tells you that, do they? Instead, you blame yourself. You think you're falling behind. You think everyone else has it together. They don't. Focus isn't about trying harder. It's about protecting what matters. It's about building a wall around your attention like it's the most valuable thing you own. Because it is. You don't need a new app to fix your focus. You need silence. You need boundaries. You need moments in your day where your brain can breathe. Because real focus isn't loud, it's quiet. It's you, sitting with one thought without the pressure to do 100 things at once. It's you doing less, but doing it better. You're not supposed to answer every message the second it arrives. You're not supposed to scroll through someone else's life every time you feel bored with your own. Boredom isn't the enemy. It's the doorway back to your own mind. And let's be honest, it's hard to stay focused when your life is filled with things that don't actually matter to you. So maybe it's time to ask yourself, what are you filling your mind with? What would happen if you cut the noise and committed to what actually matters? The work that lights you up, the book you've been meaning to read, the life you want to build, quietly, intentionally, without 100 tabs open. You don't have a focus problem. You have a distraction culture problem. But the good news is, focus can be trained, not by doing more, but by choosing less every single day. And the moment you protect your mind like it's your most valuable asset, everything changes. That's not motivation, that's freedom.